Okay, time is an illusion. Lunchtime doubly so. I had a speak planned yesterday, then lunch happened, then a new speak. Now I decided to give you both. Let's see if this works. Of course it doesn't. I wanted to basically one-up the rest of the conference. This is Hello World in 28 languages, and a little Docker command that runs them all. Let's see if it works. Well, some of them need virtual machines, some of them have to be compiled, some of them have other runtimes or interpreters. Basically, it's just using Docker images for everything. It's a tool I found on the web. I thought it was fun to show. No, not now. These are basically the same 28 files with a shebang line calling dexec in the beginning, so now they're all executable. So executable, Scala, well, could be useful. I won't run those. Where's my presentation? So this is PolyConf. There are lots of people, a lot of brain soup. We had lunch. Ideas emerged. Some of them might be crazy. We need a cat. This is my cat. She's called Scala. I'll get back to her. My Twitter handle, I guess that's enough about me. Well, let's keep it here. We were discussing during lunch that, we're all writing this code. Most of the code that we've written probably already exists, has been written 100 times by other people. Isn't that a waste? I know at least one company has already, ingested all of GitHub and analyzed it, and they're using it for recruitment. And that's a bit of a waste. What if we had that available? What if we could imagine a language where sharing was built in? So it was, open source by definition. You write stuff in the language and it's available to everybody. It's just a thought. Available, I don't know, compiler, runtime. This is a brainstorm. Discovery, of course, had to be built into the IDE somehow, or your poison of choice. In general, in most languages we have standard libraries. Most of us just use those. We never really bother reading the source code. It's there, it's documented. But why not, the rest of the universe, if it was possible? So, brainstorming. Pure functions might make it easier. An advanced time system like Haskell, but more readable. Contracts we've heard about, if we had good searchable contracts and type systems, that might actually make it possible to find functions that we need. Type providers could provide the magic in our IDE. The next thought was, how could this actually happen? Maybe a distributed runtime so that the code I have on my machine is part of the whole cloud runtime, and if somebody needs the function that I just wrote on my machine, well, they can run it. There might be some things with network latency, but you're smart people, you'll figure it out. So maybe some peer-to-peer. I've seen amazing things done with BitTorrent and BitTorrent file system. Who knows? So we thought about some just-in-time function caching redistribution magic. If there are a couple of people here that use the same function, then it should be pulled down to at least one of our machines. If I use it a lot, then I might get a local copy at least while I'm using it. Are there challenges? Well, performance, maybe. Security, obviously. But, well, shouldn't stop an idea. Good idea, maybe. So, basically, it was a brainstorm. No, I haven't implemented this overnight. I was at a party. Think, do, go, shoot me down, tweets, or make it happen. Bring it back next year. And of course, we need a kitten as well. Oh. And the cat Scala is in the background. I still haven't found a name for the kitten yet. Possibly.